we solve Leetcode number 143. Or say and sort yen reorder linked list be on my 1, 2, 3, 4. Yen reorder into this format, right? So what you order is first one about na last one number, right? Na this one number, na for the sign this one as babium, right? It's a normal representing in a mathematical formula I was saying. But in the end, the way my end was saying, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. What shy? If we are near the way our share, no say. Now for the I can swatch us, right? Say 10 I won't say a form something like this. But a link list no. Actually, if we are see a quantity be see and say, near far last one, I have a chair way so. They are saying quite a bit too much work. But oh sure, a bit too much we move right? It's a move if we are near a fat get your son, right? Into a chimney no baby beat say area 1, 2 near fat 3, 4, right? You see, I was at least we know a TTR cranty if we are near some far way so I never far last one area 2 ways, right? Into a bit my answer, but first no, a better than the check, let's win, right? Into an algorithm I did solve it, say be finding a bit one as be finding the center node of that list way. You be using 2-pointer algorithm, right? The answer way a corner pussy now. The 2-pointer no. First pointer never if I could be slow, but I could be moving slow, right? Now I couldn't move fast. Fast one it move twice as fast. And finally say slow one to 29 back one. Fast one maybe 29 minutes. Right, into fast and we call 1, 2. But we see and not fast now we say. Right. Now if it is slow no, passing 29 back. Right. Now fast no. I say 1, 2. Now fast now we say. Into here slow no. We say. Right. The final stop of the slow. The final stop of the slow never tries it, and in the beginning of the second half of the list. In the we won't say, and the other part now here. Right. Into any two lists. Into the way a bit too much using a fast 2-pointer approach, a fast pointer and a slow pointer, right? But still, so when saying we are 4 penny I calculate when you teach and if we are near the alcohol point here, I say, right? If we are near their point here, I say, near the ways of alcohol point here, I say, right? But saying tinting and can you ever sound quack say, into the best way to my end say, in reverse way, so, right? In reverse it. In reverse way. Now linked list reverse out no. And find my linked list 1, 2 and 3. Over reverse I wait my set it previous one say. Now we are current. Now we are current dot next. Right? The beyond say arrow ni ko say. The person here say arrow no ebe say. The say arrow no ebe say. Right. Until the beyond say current dot next will the person the pointed previous into current dot next will be equal to previous, right? Into yes ana to see our current no will be previous, right? Into previous will be equal to current na afei deɛ kwata koraa no current no sisi a current no eba we change nti na abɛyɛ current dot next basically saa na ɛbɛyɛ but yɛ wie a deɛ ɛba bɛyɛ no sɛ ɛbɛyɛ 1 2 na afei deɛ wei so abɛyɛ 4 3 nti deɛ yɛn sɛ yɛn si yɛ san ebi a yɛfa wei anya kɔsi wei akyerɛ ase nti yɛnya fa wei a yɛde si 4 no so na yɛ move wei nti first half no afei deɛ ne fiti ase ba bɛyɛ wei right nti na yɛ san de wei akɔyɛ first half ne fiti ase na second half no so ne fiti ase a bɛyɛ wei nti yɛde wei to abɛ connect ne se nti yɛbɛwie ne yɛnya 1 4 2 3 right nti saa na abɛ solve no nti no question one kasa ansa na yɛbɛtumi solve no ɛyɛ 3 steps right first step ne yɛ find midpoint anaasɛ ebi a second half right second point ne sɛ reverse second half and a final point ne sɛ merge the two lists right nti yɛhwɛ wɔ ase a first no yɛ find the midpoint second yɛbɛ reverse it right yɛbɛ reverse it second half no yɛwie a ne yɛ merge two no yɛka two nyinaa abom right nti no yɛ merge mmienu nyinaa abom wɔ ase nti yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔhwɛ the way a yɛbɛtumi asolve saa question wei ɛwɔ Python nti first no if not head as any linked list to crowd and we just return right this here mid slash second half right into yes and like we kind of fast pointer is equal to head and a slow also is equal to head. I'm going to start here if you want please. While fast and fast dot next right slow be equal to slow dot next and then fast be equal to fast dot next right slow no move back one fast be move me right slow no move back one fast be move me right into establish what I say into slow no will be the point, the beginning of the second half. Slow is the beginning of the second half, which is 3 4 okay. So see how I reverse it second half right let's set the previous is equal to none. Yeah, set is slow a current no setting is equal to slow because and then the beginning of the second half now I have a sorting into while current one right and then I'm breaking it down what I say right you have a pointed current no to previous right into current dot next will now be equal to previous. Now previous better than a current so previous be equal to current right and as a current now be equal to current dot next current is now equal to current. What next? Okay. Inti. Ya sort way so out. Right. Inti see and ya reverse the second half. No. Last part of this no is merge. Merge so while second dot next. But first no is equal to head. And we'll start here for the tree, right? And second is equal to previous, because previous no is here and then the beginning of the second half after you reversing because we are point to say, right? We are point to say, after you reversing is handy into first dot next, and this is here equal to second. First of the way, and you have to go to the first one of the second half because here sorting in general, so all pointed to that. Now if you shift it first on the first element now baba be 2, right? Into first will now be equal to first dot next. Right, now the same thing for the second dot next. Equal to first second dot next equal to the first one after the right? Now for the second is now equal to second dot next. If you are near returning head dot next. Okay. Into this see any solve it reorder list. Things as a one is how to merge a list, how to reverse a linked list, and how to find the midpoint. And I said that'll be check linked list more. And the okay, so that is it. See now the best solve a linked list. Leetcode 143. That's it.